싶어.
It's really popular here. Croissant walk.
So we made it through security. They booked us on an earlier flight, even though we said no. And now we're trying to look for the Lotus Lounge. I'm just following the directions. So pretty much we have less than an hour to enjoy the benefits of business class lounge. I need to check what seats we're on because I don't even know, and I feel like I lost Jason. Oh. Okay, here we are. Lotus Lounge, we found it. Sure, I'll have that one. Yeah.
You want to try the lemon?
Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. I didn't realize it was an option. We have a recline.
Members would like to accompany you on board our Airbus A321, flight number VN204, Celsius to Hanoi.
Oh,
Would you like that as bread?
yes, croissant bread also. Come on, thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Got some croissant. Yeah.
It nourishes their bodies or they'll get sick from having no sleep. You can check it. Take a nice solid nap. Just do it.
Going to prepare for landing.
It was a good stay. Thank you. First time in a while we picked up our cameras. How many days?
3 days.
3 days. 3 days since we picked up our cameras. We've pretty much been resting, recuperating, recharging, getting some work done. And today, since they were in clean, we thought, well, let's check out Lotte Mart. So we're at, I believe, the department store and the Mart. We just arrived and just wanted to say, hello, this is what we're up to for like an hour and a half. At least while they clean.
Yes.
Oh, they have gashapon. There's way more here than we expected. There's 6 floors. I thought we were just gonna go to the Mart. I didn't realize it was connected to a department store. So we're just going through all the floors. And then I think after we'll head to the Mart and eat. We're here because I wanted some coffee and I wanted to digest. Ordered ourselves some white Vietnamese coffee. Cheers. And a croissant. These are really popular here. Croissant waffle combination. Oh, cheers. Oh, should we just do that? Yeah, let's just do that. Officially unpacked and officially moved in.
That is good stuff. Yeah.